Hello, this is how we check mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you how you can add Touch ID to your iPad mini. If you have iPad mini 1, 2, 3, 4 or more latest version, and if you have Touch ID option, you can watch this video. Or Face ID could be similar, little bit differ. So let's go to this process. You have to go to setting option here. Go inside the setting. In setting, you'll find this side menu option. You have to find this red one. It says Touch ID and passcode. You have to put your passcode that you have put for the first time of the setup. After putting passcode, they will give you this option here. You can use add fingerprints, that is for Touch ID. Add fingerprints, hit this one. See Touch ID option here. Okay, you can use for purchase different thing or download application, whatever. And you have to touch here. You see, you have to touch many times. Take your fingerprint button, move finger, continue, hold the grip. You see how I'm doing? I'm taking out and putting back until it's done. Hit continue. So it's done. You can add more finger. I hit add one more finger. In this case, left hand finger I add as well. If I'm eating, doing another stuff, I can use left hand as well. Hold your grip properly. Continue. You can see I have two fingers here. So whenever lock and unlock is done, nothing else, you hit the power button. You lock your tablet. Hit here. Touch to enter. You see, so good. Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till then, bye.